Good morning. This AI show tracks today's hottest Reddit posts. Driving, bored, or still awake? Subscribe and let's start. Our first story is from r/interesting as fuck. The post title is Because of the War, a 77-year-old Ukrainian grandmother was trying to escape her home and started walking alone down a road. Fortunately, she was spotted by a drone, and because her escape route was under fire, they sent a UGV, unmanned ground vehicle, for her to sit in and get to safety. This video post shows an incredible real-world rescue. The 77-year-old woman is fleeing danger on foot all by herself during the conflict in Ukraine. A drone spots her in a tough spot where the path is under fire. Instead of leaving her exposed, rescuers send this unmanned ground vehicle, basically a remote-controlled robotic carrier that she can climb into for safe transport out of the hot zone. The footage captures the drone view and the UGV rolling in to help her reach safety. It's a mix of heartbreaking circumstances and really impressive technology being used to protect a civilian. The post has over 61,000 upvotes and more than 1,000 comments. People are sharing it because it stands out as a humanitarian bright spot, using tools often seen in combat. The video gives a powerful look at how drones and UGVs can support rescue missions in active war zones without risking more lives. One top comment from That Ain't My Foot with 8,000 upvotes says, "Pretty much the best use of an unmanned vehicle I've seen yet. Wonderful, D." It perfectly captures the mood. Usually we associate these machines with military ops or exploring rough terrain, but seeing one deployed to give a grandmother a safe ride out of danger feels genuinely uplifting. The comment nails why this post hit so hard for so many users. It has massive engagement because it highlights the positive side of tech in a very dark situation. Redditors piled on with similar positive reactions, calling it innovative and humane. Fascinating Reddit feeds. Whether it's the subject, the movement, or the big reveal halfway through, the video leaves people replaying it. If you're into tech, photography, or just cool visuals, this is prime morning content. The community agrees it was way more impressive than the average drone video, which explains the explosive upvote count. Soft. The top comment from Lamby Echop with nearly 10,000 upvotes nails it. Damn, that was a lot cooler than I was expecting. That reaction sums up the entire thread. You click thinking it'll be good drone footage. Then it delivers an unexpected level of wow that makes you rewind. The comment is short, relatable, and perfectly represents what thousands felt after watching. It exploded because everyone had the same surprised feeling. Redditors kept quoting it while sharing their own versions of "I didn't see that coming" in the replies. The GIF acts as a quick, humorous, or ironic take on the photo without needing extra words. In threads with thousands of comments, these visual replies often get attention because they cut through the noise. It fits the fast-paced, meme-heavy style that many users enjoy when a controversial image drops.